Scene script. Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends shows you might like or how Google Maps predicts traffic? These are examples of machine learning. Picture this: a computer system that has the ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But it's not. This is the reality we live in today. This concept is known as machine learning, and it's playing an increasingly significant role in our everyday lives. Machine learning is all around us. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes, and even in our workplaces. It's the secret ingredient that powers the recommendations on your favorite streaming service, predicts what you might want to purchase next online, and even helps your email filter out spam. But what exactly is machine learning? Well, in the simplest terms, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn from experience. Just like humans learn from their past experiences, machine learning algorithms use historical data to predict future outcomes or behaviors. The beauty of machine learning is that it doesn't require specific instructions for every single scenario. Instead, it uses patterns and inference to make decisions. It's like teaching a child to recognize an apple. You don't have to show them every single apple in the world. You show them a few examples, and they learn to identify apples based on certain characteristics, such as color, shape, and size. In a similar way, machine learning algorithms use the information they have been given to make educated guesses or predictions about new data. In today's digital age, where data is abundant and growing exponentially, machine learning is more relevant than ever. It's a tool that allows us to sift through massive amounts of information, uncover hidden patterns, and make sense of the world around us. In essence, machine learning is a form of artificial intelligence that helps computers learn from experience and make decisions based on that. But how does machine learning work? It's not magic, it's math. Just as we peel back the layers of an onion, let's unravel the layers of machine learning. At its core, machine learning is a process, a sequence of steps that machines follow to learn from data and make decisions. Imagine how a child learns. They touch a hot stove, they feel pain, they learn not to touch the hot stove again. This is a process of learning from experience and applying that knowledge to new situations. Machine learning works in a similar way, but instead of physical experiences, machines learn from data. So let's break this down into digestible parts. Step 1. Data collection. This is the raw material, the experiences from which the machine learns. It could be anything from images of cats for an image recognition algorithm to financial data for predicting stock prices. Step 2. Data preparation. Here, the data is cleaned and organized. Just like we can't learn effectively in a messy classroom, machines can't learn effectively from messy data. Step 3. Choosing a model. This is like choosing a method of learning. Some of us are visual learners, some prefer to learn by doing. Similarly, different models are better suited for different types of data and tasks. Step 4. Training the model. This is where the actual learning happens. The machine uses the prepared data to adjust its model, trying to minimize errors and improve accuracy. Step 5. Evaluation and optimization. Just like a student takes a test to see how well they've learned, the machine evaluates its model on new data, adjusting and optimizing as needed. Step 6. Prediction or decision-making. This is the end goal. The machine uses its learned model to make predictions or decisions about new data. So machine learning is all about finding patterns in data and applying those patterns to make predictions or decisions. It's not magic, it's math. It's a process, a journey of learning, just like ours, but in a different, digital realm. Now that we know what machine learning is and how it works, let's explore some real-world applications. Imagine walking into your favorite clothing store and instead of being overwhelmed by countless options, you're greeted with a personalized selection of items tailored to your taste and past purchases. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's machine learning in action, enhancing the retail experience through personalized marketing. Now let's switch gears and step into the healthcare sector. Here, machine learning is revolutionizing disease prediction and prevention. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, algorithms can identify patterns and risk factors that may escape the human eye. This allows for early detection of conditions like heart disease or cancer, potentially saving countless lives. And it doesn't stop at healthcare or retail. Machine learning is also making waves in the financial industry. Banks and financial institutions are using these algorithms to detect fraudulent transactions. In a world where digital transactions are becoming the norm, this application of machine learning is crucial in safeguarding our finances. But let's not forget about the entertainment industry. Ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what show to recommend next? Or how Spotify seems to always find the perfect song for your mood? That's machine learning at work, analyzing your viewing or listening habits and suggesting content you're likely to enjoy. In the field of transportation, machine learning is driving the development of self-driving cars. By processing real-time data from sensors and cameras, these vehicles can navigate complex traffic situations, potentially making our roads safer. And in the realm of climate science, machine learning is helping predict weather patterns and natural disasters, providing valuable time for preparation and potentially saving lives and property. These examples show that machine learning is not a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's making a difference. From personalizing your shopping experience to predicting diseases, safeguarding your finances, curating your entertainment, driving your car, and even predicting the weather, machine learning is actively shaping our world. Like any technology, machine learning has its upsides and downsides. Let's start with the good. Machine learning is a marvel of innovation, a testament to the boundless potential of human intellect. It's like having a tireless assistant that never sleeps, continually learning, adapting, and improving. Its efficiency is unparalleled, able to sift through volumes of data that would take a human lifetime to process. It can spot patterns and anomalies that would otherwise go unnoticed, helping us make sense of an increasingly complex world. From predicting stock market trends to diagnosing diseases, machine learning is a game changer. But there's also the bad. Machine learning, like any tool, is only as good as the data it's fed. Poor quality or biased data can lead to skewed results, perpetuating harmful stereotypes or creating unfair systems. It's a classic case of garbage in, garbage out. And then, there's the risk of over-reliance. With machine learning taking over more tasks, there's a danger that our own skills could atrophy, making us overly dependent on machines for decision-making. And then there are the unintended consequences. As machine learning becomes more pervasive, privacy concerns come into sharp focus. Every click, every scroll, every like is data ripe for the picking. Personal information that used to be private is now a commodity, traded and sold for targeted advertising or even more nefarious purposes. The line between personalization and surveillance is becoming increasingly blurred, making some people uncomfortable about the amount of information machines know about them. Despite these challenges, the potential of machine learning is undeniable. It's not about abandoning the technology because of its flaws, but rather understanding and mitigating them. We need robust systems in place to ensure the quality and fairness of the data we feed into these algorithms. We need to strike a balance between convenience and privacy, between reliance on machines and the cultivation of our own skills. It's clear that while machine learning has immense potential, it needs to be used responsibly. What does the future hold for machine learning? This question is as intriguing as it is challenging. As we peer into the crystal ball of tomorrow, we see a world where machine learning is not just a part of our lives, but an integral player in shaping the future of technology. Imagine a world where your car doesn't just take you from point A to point B, but anticipates your needs, adjusting the temperature, playing your favorite music, and even suggesting stops based on your preferences. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but the potential reality of self-driving cars powered by machine learning. The future of machine learning also holds promise in the realm of predictive policing. The ability to predict and prevent crime before it happens may seem like something out of a movie, but with the advancements in machine learning, it's becoming more and more possible. By analyzing patterns and trends, machine learning can help law enforcement agencies make informed decisions, improving the safety and security of our communities. But beyond these specific applications, machine learning is set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. From personalized recommendations to intelligent virtual assistants, machine learning will make our digital experiences more intuitive, more personalized, and more seamless. However, it's not just about the technology itself. As machine learning evolves, it will also change the way we work, learn, and live. From transforming the job market to enabling personalized education, machine learning can offer solutions to some of our most pressing challenges. While the future of machine learning is exciting, it also comes with its own set of challenges. Questions about privacy, ethics, and governance will need to be addressed as we move forward. But with continued research and thoughtful dialogue, we can navigate these challenges and harness the potential of machine learning to create a better future. While it's hard to predict the future, one thing is certain: machine learning will continue to play a big role in our lives. So let's embrace this exciting journey into the future and see where machine learning takes us. So how can you stay informed about machine learning? Well, the first step is to nurture a curious mind. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, and staying informed means constantly seeking out new knowledge. There are countless resources available both online and offline that can help you on this journey. Online you can find a wealth of courses, tutorials and articles on platforms like Coursera, Udacity and Medium. These resources cover a wide range of topics from introductory overviews to in-depth explorations of specific machine learning algorithms. You can also find numerous free textbooks and academic papers for a more formal approach to learning. Podcasts and YouTube channels are another great way to keep up with the latest developments. Channels like 2-Minute Papers and podcasts like Data Skeptic offer bite-sized insights into new research and applications of machine learning. Offline, you might consider attending workshops or conferences where you can learn from experts in the field and network with others who share your interest. Many of these events are now also available online, making them accessible to a wider audience. Books are another valuable resource. Titles like The 100-Page Machine Learning Book by Andrew Burkhoff and Deep Learning by Yoshua Bengio, Ian Goodfellow and Aaron Corville provide comprehensive introductions to the field. But perhaps the most important resource is practice. Try your hand at coding your own machine learning models using open-source libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. There are plenty of datasets available online for you to experiment with, and nothing beats hands-on experience for truly understanding how machine learning works. In conclusion, staying informed about machine learning involves a combination of learning, practicing, and staying engaged with the latest developments in the field. It's an ongoing journey, but one that's well worth embarking on. Remember, the more you know about machine learning, the better prepared you'll be for a future where it's even more prevalent. So, we've unraveled the mystery of machine learning. From the enigma that once shrouded machine learning, we've peeled back the layers to understand its core. We've seen its power in action, changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world. We've discussed the good, the bad, and the unintended consequences that come with this powerful tool. We've peered into the future, glimpsing the potential of machine learning to revolutionize industries and societies alike. And finally, we've equipped ourselves with the basic literacy necessary to navigate this technology-driven world. Throughout our journey, we've realized that machine learning isn't just about complex algorithms and computational models. It's about harnessing the power of data to make informed decisions, to solve complex problems, and to create innovative solutions. It's about the intersection of technology, mathematics, and human curiosity. We've seen how machine learning is transforming industries from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to transportation. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, banks detect fraudulent transactions, filmmakers create realistic visual effects, and self-driving cars navigate the streets. But we've also acknowledged the challenges that come with machine learning, the ethical dilemmas, the privacy concerns, the potential for misuse. These are issues that we, as a society, must address as we continue to integrate machine learning into our lives. And as we look to the future, the importance of understanding machine learning becomes even more clear. As it continues to evolve, so too must our understanding. Becoming literate in machine learning is not just about keeping up with the latest technological trends, it's about preparing ourselves for a future where machine learning is a fundamental part of our daily lives. So, as we wrap up, let's not forget the heart of what machine learning is all about. It's not a mystical force or a magic trick. It's a tool, one that's grounded in mathematics and powered by data. It's a tool that's changing the world, one algorithm at a time. Remember, machine learning isn't magic, it's math, and it's changing the world as we know it.